Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one investment to another based website that I shared with you in the past videos of the withdrawal. This is the website that I shared with you, withdrawal and investment, and right now I want to invest 142 Dogecoin to that website. And this website I received this much Dogecoin, okay, and this is all paid, and this is all the payment proof of this website. This website is one of the best website, 100% free website, you can see. And I received this much Dogecoin to my wallet address instantly in my Faucet pay, and that's all. I want to withdraw. I just want to deposit much more Dogecoin to this wallet address again, okay, to this website again, okay. Just click it. You can click your favorite cryptocurrency you want to invest. You can invest Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, any cryptocurrency you have to your balance, to your wallet address. You can invest it and you can exchange it, and you will be received Dogecoin, okay. And this is the Dogecoin wallet address available, and I have the Dogecoin wallet address link it in here. You can link it like this, but this will be changed every day, okay. Just copy again, okay. This will be changed every day. Just paste it. Just I click double N and just click Bitcoin, Dogecoin, sorry, Dogecoin. Just click link it, and this is the new link, okay, available. And just I go to withdraw. Just come down. I want to withdraw in Dogecoin. Just click all to this wallet address, okay, and I will be receive this much Dogecoin. And if I withdraw with this one, this will be take 5 Doge, and this will be pay me soon, but I didn't I have a lot of time. I didn't want to pay me soon as possible. Just I want to pay me, okay. Just I click place withdrawal, and you can see the withdrawal will be placed, and after 1 hour or 2 hour I will be received in this website, and I will be investing in this part. And this website pay me after few days, 24 hours. And this website is one of the best because I receive 208 Dogecoin in just few days, okay. First I start with this much Doge, the next will be I start with this much Doge, and I found affiliate program link, and I will be found this much affiliate from the persons to come here and visit the website, and they make their withdrawals, okay. And I will be receive their commission, okay, 50% of the commission every person. The first is 25. I receive 90 Doge, 26, 27, 28, and 28. This is the last time, okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning websites. Bye bye for now.